My shop TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi router, same in-house, is about 225-250 featuring away and just couldn't quite function. I have CAT6 buried cable, installed these units after trying different switch configurations and it has worked flawlessly so far. Internet speed is great. The two photos show the switch configuration I have. The instructions could be better. The photo with white background is the unit in my house and the second is the receiver in the shop. If I have any issues I'll update here. We have a guest house about 350 feet from the main house. There is an underground CAT5 cable. I am only able to get 9 Mbps through it due to the length I plugged these in, and immediately had 90 Mbps while I wish it was cheaper. 10x speed improvement is great. It does work. This is the third pair of these I have purchased. One pair provides 100 millibars Ethernet on a Cat5e cable in a 660 featuring wiring run. The other two pairs provide Ethernet connectivity to two outbuildings for by unused telco drops. 200 featuring and 500 featuring easy setup. Make sure one unit is set for CO, and the far end unit as RT, and usage. These devices have already proved their worth to my clients. Additional info 2 weeks ago, one of the unit pairs wouldn't link. Using another pair of these to troubleshoot, it was determined that one unit had failed. I contacted Tupavco, conversed with Duca, and was sent a single unit replacement. Set switches, connected to the facilities, and the client was up and working. No hassle service. I highly recommend Tupavco and their equipment.